Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can log out your email from Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Actually, logging out your account from Gmail is a very easy task. But before we dive into this video, like this video and share it with your friends. Now, let's get into this video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I have created this Gmail shortcut on my desktop, so I'm opening it in Chrome. And after opening the Gmail, you just simply have to go into your profile picture at the top right side. Simply click into that, and after clicking there, you will get this sign out button. Click into that in order to log out your account. And after doing that, your account will be successfully logged out. And if you want to log in again, you just simply have to click into your email address. And if you want to remove the account from the device, click into this Remove an Account option. By following these very easy steps, you can easily log out of any of your Gmail accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.